Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is very important for all of you. First of all, sorry friends, I am out of town due to which the video uploading is late, but I am trying my best and please ignore this outside voice and let's discuss the video that is related to Gen Z exam result and what about the phases. In the video 25 batch, 24 batch results we will discuss Gen Z Next and Gen Z Pro. All the videos are for all of you and I already created separate playlist in which everything is there. You are from 25 batch, you are applying for opportunity, you are giving the examination, technical assessment videos are there, aptitude assessment, communication assessment and exam cutoffs are related. Okay, so first of all, many of the candidates they are selected from our channel. Hi, I got selected for the Gen Z Next role in Cognizant which I applied through your YouTube channel. So the thing is, one most important point, this is the process of Cognizant. Registration, screening are there. If you cleared the screening, communication assessment will be there. After that, aptitude assessment, technical assessment will be there. If you cleared, so you are shortlisted for either one of the role, Gen Z Next, Gen Z Pro and Gen Z. One of the most important point that I have to mention, if I am talking about the interviews currently, so those candidate who are from 2024 batch, they are phase 2 candidate. Okay, so they received the interview update as a virtual, means their interview is virtual, so totally depends on Cognizant team. Okay, so let's discuss about the exam result and timeline. This is the hiring process of 2025 batch. We are discussing in the detail that is related to this. And one most important point that I have to mention, they clearly it is mandatory to appear for communication, aptitude and technical assessment to be eligible for technical interview. Okay, so this is the 24-25 batch result timeline. Let's first we discuss about the 2024 batch, then we will move forward to the 2025 batch. So in the 2024, what is the first phase exam date? The first phase exam date is March 4, like last technical assessment on 7th March, and the result date is approx after 7 days on 14th March, and after completing the next 14 days, okay, 14 plus 14, 28, on 28 March the interview will be there. Okay, so in the 7 to 14 days of timeline we receive the result from the Cognizant team. Let's discuss about the second phase. The second phase exam dates are this. Last exam date is on 19th March and second phase result date is 26th March. In approx 7 to 8 days the result is released. Similarly for the third phase, okay, the third phase exam date is April 16 and like 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. We are expecting that by 22 like April we received the result that is related to third phase. So mention in the comment section, mention in comment section you are from 24 batch and you received the result or not. Okay, and you are from 25 batch, you are from 25 batch, you completed the first phase examination, so you received the result or not. It will very helpful for everyone to identify these things. Okay, so one most important point that I have to mention, this is the 2025 batch first phase expected result timeline. We know that communication completed on 17th April, aptitude completed on 21st to 22nd April and technical complete on 21st 5th April. So I mentioned that the expected result date is 2 to 4th May. Okay, so if we see this, like if we see this, so we know that 17th April is the examination date. Okay, so I mentioned that in the approx 7 to 8 days you will receive the result, but the today date is 6 May. So now the result is delayed. Okay, the result is delayed and they will definitely share the result, guys. No need to worry about that. Still 2025 batch not receive any kind of result. If you received the result, mention in the comment section that you are waiting for result or you received the result. Okay, whenever the result will be published I will share update with all of you. This is the first phase and this is the second phase. As we know that second phase first examination is completed on 5th May. Okay, 5th May is the communication assessment date and aptitude assessment date on 8th May. Okay, and the technical assessment date on 12th May. So the thing that I have to mention, okay, the most important point that I have to mention, many candidates they are from 2024 batch, they are asking that all questions are done but there is no mail, result in phases or not, example Cognizant multi-cloud. The one opportunity that is posted by Cognizant, that is a multi-cloud, that is for 2024 batch. In that they are sending the result in the 1 to 2 month. Okay, 1 से 2 मंथ में भी रिजल्ट आते थे, 2 से 3 मंथ में भी रिजल्ट आते थे. सेम hiring process they followed in the Cognizant multi-cloud. But many of the candidates are asking, is there any chance for the Gen C Next and Gen C Pro result or not? So one most important point, guys, this time they are not sending the result in the form of phases, because I am seeing from 2024 batch that first phase is completed, second phase is completed, third phase is completed, but only those candidates who are shortlisted, they received the result. Okay, other candidate still not receive any kind of update, they even not receive any kind of rejection. Okay, so one most important point that is clear. Okay, if you are from 24 batch, if you are from 25 batch, 25 batch result is waited. Okay, no one received the any kind of result, but you are waiting from the 2024 batch. Guys, if you are shortlist in the examination, because communication assessment performance, aptitude assessment performance, technical assessment performance matter. Okay, as well as the cutoff will depends on many factor, how many number of seats are there, and they will allocate the seats on the basis of your marks, how many marks you scored in the communication assessment. This is an example. Okay, so the thing is, if you are shortlisted, you will receive the result in a one time. Okay, because I see many of the candidates, they are from 24 batch. Just see this, this is a candidate. Okay, those completed aptitude 30 question, 30 medium level, he mentioned 26 to 20 question. In technical I solve 4 question. Okay, and good afternoon sir, in technical exam I solved 2 SQL, 2 Java, 1 HTML, and my performance in aptitude is average. Candidate received the Gen C Pro cyber security role, means the Gen C Pro role candidate received. Okay, and some of the candidate who completed exam like this, my performance in aptitude communication moderate, aptitude 23 plus, gaming this, technical 2 SQL plus 1 C sharp done, 1 C sharp done, and 1 with HTML CSS. Candidate eligible for the Gen C category interview. So the thing is that I have to mention, if you are shortlisted candidate, you will receive the result from the Cognizant team. Okay, and again I am mentioning, guys, okay, don't wait for a particular company, or don't stuck with a particular company. There are lot of opportunity, apply for that, and always try to apply for new opportunity, and no need to worry about that, and no need to take stress. Other good opportunities waiting for you, guys. This is the thing that this is the trend, and I am hoping that that Cognizant team, even they will after 2 to 3 months, even they will send the result. Okay, so we can understand that they will send the result in the form of phases, but the waiting time is too long. Okay, that's why apply for opportunity, because we know that the March 7th is the date. Okay, and March is completed, April is completed, and today is 6 May. Almost 1 to 2 month is completed, and this is the second month. Okay, so if they send the result in the phases, it will very good for all of you, but till apply for other opportunity. This is all about the result, and इसके related जितनी भी कहानी थी मैंने आपको बता दी है. I hope you like the video. We will meet in the next video. Thanks for watching the video.